What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video it's going to be a fun one. It's going to be an unboxing. It's going to be the fall FabFitFun box. You should take a look at that. Alright, now with that we're going to get rid of the box and we're going to talk about a cool little magazine. So I'm going to show this to you. In it I found some really cool articles. I think it would help you out. The first article is what's my skin type? And then if you're not sure how to apply your skincare, there's an article about that. And then behind every single magazine that comes in every single box, it's always this part in it. It's exclusive offers for you to save you some money. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to tell you about a few facts now about the box. So if you're interested in getting it, I'm not sponsored. I just want you to know what you're getting into, how much it costs, and everything like that. So it's going to be $49.99. You get 4 boxes a year. It's going to be at least a $200 value, and it's going to be 7 to 8 products in the box. Now we're going to jump into the products as I go along. I'm going to tell you the price of it, and at the end I will tell you the total value of the box and if I like it or not. I'm going to grab product 1 and 2 to make it easier, save time. It's going to be Amica, the Cure Bond Repair Shampoo, and then the conditioning version. So the only thing I've tried from this line is going to be the Amica Scalp Revival, and that's just a scrub you put in your scalp and then you wash it off and it gets all the product out. That's not my #1 favorite product, but I would say definitely my #2. My #1 product is the Briogeo one. That feels amazing, but it's a very good alternative if you don't want to get that one. So here we go. The price on these are $22 each. I saw that you can get it if you get them at both the same time for $40. So that's a couple options for you. I'm excited to try that. My favorite shampoo and conditioner, spoiler alert, comes from my Ulta haul that you see in one of my past videos. It is the Ghost Verb Shampoo and Conditioner. I have already bought the jumbo size of it because I am in love with it. The third product is going to be the Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum from Renewal, and it's the Lift and Illuminate, just in case they have different serums. The only thing I tried from this product line is the Morning Cleansing Balm to get the makeup off, and it is terrible. I absolutely hate it. And I said morning balm. I don't know why I said that because you don't wear makeup in the morning, but it's to take your makeup off. That was horrendous. It did not take my makeup off. I only used half the product and I threw it away. So I'm interested in trying this. I'm hoping that this will be a winner for me. It has a heavy price tag of $135. Now we're going to go to the fourth product. This one I have not tried. It's the Algenist and it's the Papaya Enzyme Peel. I really trust this brand. I have tried a lot of things and I love everything I have tried from this brand. It is amazing. So excited about trying this. This one has a price tag of $45. It has to be my most exciting thing to try out of this box. The fifth item is going to be the Alterna, and it's going to be the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisturizing CC Cream. It's a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in. So a mouthful there, and this is for the hair. I have not tried this, but I'm excited to try it. Every time I see somebody that has gorgeous hair, I ask them what product they're using, and then this is what they tell me every single time. So I'm super stoked about trying this. That one has a price tag of $29. The next one is going to be a challenge to say. I haven't heard of this product before. It's the True Moringa Balm. Let you look at that, and it's going to be for the hands and body. It's a moisturizing balm. I'm going to go ahead and try it, see if it has a scent. Really thick. So go ahead and get that on here. Yeah, this is definitely a balm. This has a Vaseline kind of texture. Has a very, very light scent, so that's not going to be an issue. This I would use at night before you go to bed, because when we wash our hands as much as we do, they get really dry. So because this is so thick, that's the best use that I'm going to try with this product. So I'm excited to try that. This has a price tag of $24. Now I'm going to grab the 7th product. It is the Anti-Wrinkle Complete Eye Renewal Balm by Algenist, and show you this little box here. I'll go ahead and take it out so you can take a peek at it. We go. I really don't buy eye balms anymore. That may change as I get older. I feel like my moisturizer is good enough to go under the eyes, so that's what I use underneath the eyes. But if it's given to me, of course I'm going to use it. Now, I've tried a few things from Algenist. Everything I've tried, I have loved. They have great facial moisturizers. So this one has a price tag of $68. That being the last product, it's come to the time now telling you the value of the box. The value is $345. And personally, I think it was worth it, only paying $49.99 for the box. So I really like this box. Looking forward to trying all the products. One thing I did not mention at the beginning of the video, so I'm going to touch base on it now. I have an annual membership, so I get to pick all the products. So everything that you see here, I picked myself. If you pay monthly, I think you get to choose 3 to 4 of the products. I'm not sure on that, so definitely check out their site and see. I like having full control of the box, so I will be continuing paying the yearly price of it, but it's all up to you what you like to do with it. So with that being the end of the video, I'm going to ask if you can please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And then if you want to be an extra supportive person to my channel, please smash that bell. I really appreciate it. I'm a really small channel right now, and with your help, you can help my channel grow. So with that being the end, I'm going to grab my little co-star, Sugar Bear. Sugar Bear, come here. She loves this part so much. She gets so excited. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and we're going to say goodbye for now. Bye, guys.